Hey guys, what's up? So, I found the time to make another video, and yeah, so I have some pepper here. It didn't really work well before, but it should work better now, maybe. But yeah, so I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but yeah, I tried, because I got a request to sniff pepper, so I put it like a little bit on the Q-tip. Hopefully, that'll like make me sneeze maybe even after it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna try. And I got a request to like try to show like spray and to do like pinch sniffles. So yeah, I'm used to doing them like in class. So I'll just try those too. All right. Pepper, I could feel it already. Uh, should be coming. Wow, almost. Okay. Oh, it burns a little bit. I feel like I just ate like a what, turkey and cheese sandwich with a lot like pepper on my eggs or fries, you know. But I got a few sneezes in there. All right. So let's see. No, pepper actually might have worked. I don't know. Pepper on this side too. BT Dubs. Wow. Two again. That was a funny sneeze. I like caught it late, like you know. What did I just do? I like pinched it, like you know, with my nose, and then yeah, I just like didn't get like the and like I put my hand down, and then as I was going to like sneeze the second time, I didn't get it to my nose. That was funny. I think that's what happened. Yeah. Yeah. So let me try another Q-tip. All these Q-tips, I have like a bunch from here. They all have like pepper on them actually. So I don't know if this video is gonna be as long as like the pepper. I tried it before the video. I forgot to say. The pepper was like really irritating my nose. So yeah. Alright, wait, hold on, I gotta see. Okay, one second. Alright, so anyway, I could probably do like a few more sneezes. See if like people are coming home, like my parents. I like to do videos when they're home, you know, just like when I'm like home alone, you know. I want to be bothered in like privacy and shit, you know. Alright. 5 minutes ready. Okay, I'm going some. Oh my god. That kind of hurt my ears. I feel like it's just on like a plane or going up a hill, like in a car or something. Wow. Yeah, so my chair is making all noise. Okay. Alright. That last one actually, I guess that counts for spray out. My webcam only said it was like 480p. That sucks. But I saw there's like a little spray here. I don't know. Like I really can't tell at all. But like on my laptop, like like to the right of the mouse, like the pad thing there, and like the right click, like right down there. So it's like a little wet. That really doesn't count as spray, does it? I don't know, but keep trying. So glad I'm making a video, it's been a while, so yeah, shout out to all the people that made me requests. Let me know if you want your names, like, no, I don't know if, like, privacy, I don't want to invade anybody's, I'm just ask for permission, But yeah, I got a lot of requests, so I wasn't able to do, like, all of them, but I hopefully you guys still like my videos. Shit. Wow, that was weird. Well, that made my heart beat fast for some reason. Oh man. Eyes look red. Alright. No, just everything else is red. Okay. So 8 minutes already. I think I got a few good ones in it. Wow. I use this so much. I don't know if you can tell. There's still like some pepper on it. And like it's like all beat up, so this is the pepper. I don't think I showed the camera, like you viewers at home, like you guys. Pepper, oh shit, it's gonna like spill all over me, but yeah. It's like pepper, so on a napkin. And I'm like putting it, I'm like dipping it into all the, it's like a science experiment here, I'm dipping it into all like the pepper. So it makes me sneeze before, maybe that's why it made me sneeze like that weird one. Like after, some, Yeah, so I'm new at this sneezing thing. Yeah, let's see. And yeah, pretty much my nose is like very itchy. But yeah, wow, 9 minutes already. It's just my nose has been so itchy today. But yeah. Anyway, I will probably get going. I can feel music coming right now. I need to like put on some music or something. And I hope to make a new video in the future. Alright guys, I will see you later. You like this song? Alright. Wow, it's like almost 10 minutes already. Time flies. Time distortion. Alright guys, see you. I'll make a new video soon.